I already have my wish list for 2024, so if you want to see the bags that I plan on purchasing this coming year, just keep watching. Hey sis, my name is Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here we talk about luxury and contemporary handbags and accessories, lifestyle, and just staying fly on a budget. So if those are things that you're interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But anyway, let's get on into it. I have my wish list for 2024 right in front of me, so I thought I would go over with you guys just to share with you so you can kind of know what to expect this year. The first item that's on my wish list is probably the one that I've been interested in the longest, and that is going to be the Coach mirror. Now, this particular bag comes in a few different variations, but the one that I'm interested in is actually the, what do they call it? Truffle. So the one that I'm interested in is truffle. So they offer this particular bag in leather, different colors. They also offer it in shearling, but I believe the original offering was this coated canvas with the horse and carriage logo. And so it is available in, I've seen it in the regular like beige C monogram. I've seen it in the horse and carriage, but with the horse and carriage print, it's available in either truffle or chalk. Now the chalk color is like chalk with a dark tannish color print on it. The truffle color to me looks almost identical to the Louis Vuitton loop because of the colors, because the canvas is that really deep brown, and then the horse and carriage is that tannish almost yellow color print, and then it has you know, the detachable chain strap and the long shoulder strap. So let's just get into some details on this particular bag. So you guys can see this particular piece is printed coated canvas and refined calf leather trim. It has an inside snap pocket, a zip top closure, fabric lining, detachable chain strap with a 9.5-inch drop. And then it also has a detachable 2.5-inch strap for crossbody wear. Wait a minute. So look at this bag, guys. This is just adorable. You see the leather, the zipper pull detail. It has the C-charm. The inside looks like that beigeish, tannish microfiber material. The long shoulder strap is thick and detachable. The chain strap is also detachable. So this strap can be worn as a crossbody, shoulder bag, or short shoulder. The measurements on here are, let's see here. It's approximately 9.5 inches in length, 6.25 inches in height, and 2.5 inches in width. The strap is 21 inches. Well, it's got a 21.5-inch drop for shoulder or crossbody wear. And then, of course, the materials is the printed coated canvas and refined calf leather trim. Now, this bag retails for $3.95 still. Even at Coach, it's still $3.95. They've actually marked down the mirror in all of the varieties except the one that I'm most interested in, which is the shoulder bag. So I refuse to pay $3.95. So I'm waiting for a sale. I'm waiting to get it for at least half off before I pull the trigger. Maybe Coach will offer it for half off. It's actually sold out in this color right now on their website, but I'm hoping that they offer it sometime in the future for half off, or that I can just score it at Dillard's or somewhere else at the discounted price, because I'm not paying $3.95. But that was the first item on the wish list. The second item on the list is also a Coach piece, and it is the Ruby Satchel 25 in the color block. Now, I wanted in the chalk. I have enough black barrel bags, so I figured the chalk and oxblood color block combo would be a really good color combo to add to my collection. This particular piece is also sold out, but it had just went on sale. Coach actually did a huge sale a couple of weeks ago where they had these, and I just didn't pull the trigger on one at the time because I'm on a no buy right now. But I do look to get this sometime this year, and I'm open to even purchasing it on the resale market. I've seen a few on eBay, so we'll see what happens when I'm actually ready to purchase one, what's available, and what price and condition I can get it at if it's not directly from Coach. But this particular piece is natural pebble leather and glove tan leather. It has the inside zip cell phone and multifunction pockets, the zip closure. It has a suede and fabric lining. The handles are like 3.5-inch drop. And then the detachable shoulder strap has a 21.5-inch drop. It's got 4 feet on the base, and then it is 9 3/4 long, 7 inches high, and 5 3/4 inches wide. So a lot of people compare this in size to the Speedy 25, although I believe the Speedy 25 holds a lot more. The Speedy 25 is taller. So these bags are the same length, but the Speedy is taller. Speedy has more height, so you'll be able to put more, you'll be able to stack more in the Speedy. And because the Speedy is also canvas, it has more give. So it's just gonna be, you're gonna be able to put more in the Speedy. But this particular piece is often compared to the Speedy 25 because it is 25 centimeters long. But besides that, I think those are really the only similarities between the two bags. So I also consider maybe getting the bag in the green color that they offer with the snakeskin handles. That's also a nice choice and something. I don't have that color, anything I don't think in my collection. So that would definitely also be worth looking into. But I think my first choice would definitely be the chalk. So the third and fourth items on my wish list are basically from Dooney, but they're from the Greta line. Now, I have just recently become enamored with the Greta print, particularly in the navy and then that deep green color that they have. I don't know what they call it, but there's a specific silhouette that I want in the Greta that is not available right now. I think indubitably Sanice has it. I saw her unbox it a couple of years ago, but it's the zip crossbody. So it's just it's the classic rectangular shaped Dooney with the leather trim around it. But I would love to have that particular piece in the navy Greta print. I would also be willing, if I got desperate enough, to go for the domed crossbody, also in the navy. But the zip crossbody would definitely be my first choice in the Greta. I would also like to have a handbag in the Greta. I just haven't decided what yet. And right now I'm leaning towards just a shoulder bag because it's a simple kind of baguette style bag, very similar to the DB75 that I purchased a couple of weeks ago. So I think that would be nice to add to the collection. But I'm also open to considering maybe a backpack or an overnight, or like maybe a duffel bag or something like that. So we'll see how that goes. But those are the things from the Greta line that I want to add to my collection this year. And then, as if I don't have enough black bags, there is one black bag that I want to add to my collection, and it's the Pillow Tabby. And I know that a lot of people right now are talking about the quilted Tabby, and it's a beautiful bag, no doubt. I just don't think I'm interested in the quilted Tabby for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's very similar to the Gucci Marmont flap, which I own that bag already. Also, the runway versions of the quilted Tabby did not have leather interior. I don't know if the versions that they have released in the retail stores are lined in leather. I have not checked. But that was one of the things that I did not like about the quilted tabby, was that it did not have leather interior. Now, the fabric on the inside of the bag did look really, really nice and luxurious, very similar to like a thick gingham or linen type of material, if I'm not mistaken. However, I would have preferred for that particular bag, especially at that price point with Coach, to be leather inside and out. I also wasn't too crazy about the chains. Again, it's very similar to the Gucci Marmont. And one of the things that I like about the Tabby shoulder bag was the option to switch out the chains. So with the quilted Tabby, those chains can't be switched out. So it's not quite as versatile. So that's another reason why I'm not really interested in the quilted. Now, that doesn't say that my mind can't change. But for right now, I still want the pillow, and I want it in black because I don't have a smaller baguette style Coach bag that's black and gold. So I would like to have the Pillow Tabby 26 in the black and gold. And then, guys, the very last item on my wish list is actually another item from Dooney and Bourke, and it is the Florentine Small Lucy. Now, it's on sale right now on I Love Dooney for $159, but it's not in the color that I want. They are offering it right now in the ecru, but I would like this particular bag in chestnut. But I just think this is adorable. So it's got the zip closure. It's adjustable shoulder strap. The length is 8.75 inches. The bag itself is 7.5 inches high, 4.75 inches wide, and 10 inches in length. It has 2 outside snap pockets, 1 inside zip pocket, and 1 inside snap. It also has a key keeper, and it's lined in the classic red. Now, the one thing that I did not realize until I started looking at this bag is that this is actually, I don't know if we would call it a reboot, but Dooney and Bourke actually made this bag in the past. So there is, I guess you could say like a vintage version of this bag that actually has a different lining, and the leather's a little different, but the silhouette is almost exactly the same. But I would love to have this particular piece in chestnut because I just think it's the perfect size and shape. I love the luggage tag detail and the fact that it has the 4 feet on the bottom, and I think it would be a good everyday bag. So, I would definitely like to add that to my collection in this year. And that is it, guys. That is my wish list for 2024. Have you guys already wrote out your list? You know what you're buying this year? Comment down below and let me know what's on yours. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. And until the next time we see each other, take care of yourselves. Bye.